This is just a emergency alert for all the user, those who are watching me, and also for your kind information. I remove most of the people from my network and radar as they are useless because they are not replying, they are not even taking care about my data, nothing. So I remove all these people from my WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere I remove. I don't want these people because they are making only noise, nothing else. So rest regarding the market today, market will give you very big reward. Remember my words, those people are related to market. For them, market will give you the very big reward after 12 o'clock. And I planning for a big very big, maybe 60 70 lakhs like that profit. Those people have big money, they can take the trade according to me, and they will get a big money today from the market after 12 or 12:30 like that. Please wait, will not trade now, will trade after 12 o'clock. Wait for big and very big money. Thank you. My analysis is very strong in sense that I will get the big money from the market today. So you'll see, and keep my this voice in your phone or laptop. You'll remember after 12 o'clock market will give you very big reward. This is my words. You can keep it in your mind or you can keep some safe place. You'll get a very big money from the market. Those people are related to the market. वो लोग देख सकते हैं कि मैं आज एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉफिट का वेट कर रहा हूँ। आफ्टर 12:30, आफ्टर 12 o'clock ये ट्रेड होगा और बहुत बड़ा होगा। और सब लोगों को मैं ये मैसेज दे रहा हूँ, आप लोग ये मेरा वॉइस प्रूफ के तौर पे रख सकते हैं और मार्केट देख सकते हैं आफ्टर 12 o'clock के बाद। थैंक यू।